Okay, I'm back with the second episode. And this time I'm going to show off some of the new features that we got here. First of all, you can place objects as normal. We have a new duplicate feature. You can click on this and then click on any other object in the game. And it will just duplicate it. Makes it a little bit simpler. You can get rid of these. That's the first thing that I wanted to show off. Actually, let me go back. What else is new? We have a new plunger here that's optional, and you can pick the cannon setup if you want to use that instead. You may need to change your flippers around, do your own custom flipper setup, do something a little bit different if you want to use the cannon, but as you obviously guessed, the cannon is now an option. And another one that we got here is the helicopter from the Warfare pack. So if you want to use the helicopter as a plunger system instead, and it serves as a little paratrooper system, you can do that. And we have the Warfare visuals as well to go with it if you want to pick the Warfare table. See, it's different, and let's do something random. Again, this isn't going to be an ideal setup for you, but do it. There you go. Just to show it in action, we're going to use this. The controllable slingshot. Alright, that was that. There's just a couple other little bug fixes and stuff that I've done as well. I'm not going to bother going over those too much. Let me see. New mechanics. Don't worry about this. This is not included in the update. It doesn't work quite yet. But what we do have is we have the burrowing bunnies from Easter Extravaganza. They pop up and drop back down over time randomly, and then we also have the running rabbit feature where they run back and forth across the playfield periodically. So let's give that a go. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, so this icon here will not be included in the update that comes out, but I just wanted to show that off. We got new special settings in the game. You can start every match with a multi-ball now if you want, and you can set how many balls you want. You can do 4. Then you can also do the kickback now. We have kickback, left hand side, right hand side, or you can do both sides have kickback. Pop up. Left hand, see left hand, right hand. The way the kickback works is instead of it being assigned to a mission or something like that, basically every life that you get one kickback use. So every ball has one kickback, I should say. What else? So yeah, we got the multi-ball, we got the kickback, we got that, and let me just switch to a different theme. Roxy Raccoon. See it a little bit better, and let's change the look around back to something more traditional. And let's just play. Just gonna show it off. Oh. Yeah, see, we set the auto multi-ball. So you start every round with a multi-ball. There's a floating cauldron in the corner. That's gotta get deleted. I will make sure to get rid of that before the next update. Write that down. Just certain things that everything kind of pops up over time. And then the big thing from this update was the new ramp creator. Raceway creator. So you can pick an entranceway to the raceway. There's 4 different options that are like that. There's also a couple that are like pre-made entranceways. You can see they all turn to the one side, but you can just flip it with the flip button on the right click on the mouse. Yeah, so the way, let's just do one from scratch. If you click on that. Oh, and then all the pre-made raceways from before are still in the game. So if you still want to use those, they're now accessible from this menu instead. But let's go back to the entrances. So if you want to create a raceway from scratch, what you can do is you can click on here, and then you click on one of these options, and you just start building. And then you can press on that to go back and delete. These are all the different types of turns and everything that you have available to you. And if you want to exit out into the actual ramp itself, the raceway pipes, you click on that and it brings up the exits. You click on one of those two. And now we have the different pipes that you can choose from. So you can go like that, build it up, do it any way you want. There's also some complex ones which are a bit more exciting. I have to make a couple of adjustments to these still, but the regular ones work perfectly fine. I'm hoping to have these other ones done for the next update. If not, I'll just make sure that they're not included, but I'm just giving you a little preview of what's to come. Again, yeah, just hit the delete button to delete. And then once you're done making your raceway, you click on exits, and there's 3 different exit options. So that exit is slope downwards. There you go, you have your own custom raceway you can build. Click on this, and if you don't like it or there's something that you need to modify, you click on it, and then it deletes the last piece, and then you have to go back and just start to fiddle it around a bit. And you can continue to build. Tested it, it does work, obviously, and you can save it and load it as you would expect. Actually, let me go back into the raceways options. The duplicate feature, this is where it really comes in handy. If you want to duplicate your raceway, you can. If you made a raceway that you really like, you can go ahead and just duplicate it. And yeah, that's pretty much that. That's it for this update. It is this raceway thing took most of my time. There's still a little bit of tweaks, and if you have any suggestions, feedback for it, how to make it better, I can look into that as well. And yeah, it's not gonna work too well, but yeah, as you can see, there you go.